Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Heron Series 1400 Dipper Tough water level meter. The Dipper Tough was designed for our clients that need a tougher water level meter. This unit is ideal for use in remediation and landfill sites where higher temperatures and contaminants can be an issue. The premium yellow steel tape has a tougher Kynar coating to protect the markings in harsher environments, providing a longer tape life than standard tape units. Let's go over the features, advantages, and how to properly use your Dipper Tough. To protect the Dipper Tough and for ease of transport in the field, the unit comes packed in a free backpack carry case. Not only will it hold your water level meter, but there are pockets for your laptop and notepads. Now we'll go over the different features of the Dipper Tough water level meter. The powder-coated steel frame with a vinyl holding grip is strong and sturdy and easy to hold. The nylon fiber composite plates are installed on a center hub with stainless ball bearings. This allows for smooth movement while reeling the tape up and down the well. Between the two plates you will find the premium yellow steel tape that Heron is famous for. This tape is coated in a tougher Kynar to protect the markings under it for many years. The tape comes in either metric or imperial markings. The imperial markings are in engineering scale. The tape has a dog bone profile, meaning that it's rounded on either side and flat in the center, which helps eliminate sticking to the side of the casing. The tape is manufactured directly into the probe body, eliminating anywhere that can break down in harsher environments. The built-in hanger and tape guide is an ideal solution for hanging your unit on the side of the well and for protecting your tape from the sharp well casing edge. On the back of the frame you will find the brake knob. Loosen the brake when you are lowering the tape down the well. At any time you need to stop the tape, simply tighten the brake. You will also find the testing posts. Before you go out in the field, we suggest testing the unit to make sure everything is working properly, including the battery power level. Hold the probe tip to the center shaft and the body to the screw at the same time. This will complete the circuit, sending the signal from the probe up the tape to the electronic panel. The buzzer will sound and the LED lights will turn on. We suggest you always carry an extra 9-volt battery in your backpack just in case. The electronic panel is modular and removable in case it needs to be replaced. The circuitry on the back of the panel is encapsulated to protect it from water and the elements. The 9-volt battery is easy to change by simply sliding out the battery drawer. There is an audio and a visual signal when the probe touches the water. There is no on and off switch. The water is the switch, and signaling will occur on its own. If there is any cascading water in the well, simply adjust the sensitivity dial until you get a clear, crisp, consistent signal when the probe touches the water. There's also a mode change button to put the unit into drawdown mode. This is a great feature for pump testing. The Dipper Tough comes with a fully submersible, permanently affixed modular water level meter probe. This probe is used to detect both static and drawdown levels. When you lower the probe into the water, the unit will start to sound immediately. Please note that you need to have both the stainless steel end as well as the start of the probe body in the water. This creates the contact. The probe is the start of the first foot or meter. The 0 point starts here. When you are in the field, hang the unit on the side of the casing, then run the tape over the tape guide. Lower the probe into the well. The buzzer will sound and the LED lights will turn on. The reading on the tape will provide you with a static water level. If you would like to do drawdown calculations or pump tests, lower the probe to the desired depth shown on the tape, where you want to pump the water down to. The meter will be sounding. Tighten the brake, then push the mode button once, and the meter sounding will stop. The unit is now in drawdown mode. Turn your pump on and start pumping out the water. Once the water goes past the probe, the unit will alarm and sound with the absence of water. Drawdown mode will help you calculate well production. Push the mode button again to put the meter back into static mode. Since the water level meter probe is manufactured to be fully submersible, you are able to find the full well depth, providing there is no obstructions. You would simply lower the probe to the bottom of the well, and when you feel the slack in the tape, note the markings on the tape for your measurement. So this is how you use the Heron Dipper Tough dual function water level meter. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.